Hi, I'm Meenakshi. Today we'll discuss the typical working of a warehouse management system using RFID. An RFID based warehouse management system automates the process of a warehouse. The typical problems that a warehouse faces are they have multiple cartons or multiple cases that are stocked in the warehouse. Identifying the right equipment for a right consignment is a major issue. Knowing the inventory that is available in the warehouse at any point of time is a critical factor, and identifying any misplaced or missing item is a major issue presently warehouses are facing. RFID provides a convenient solution to all the problems. The basic component of a warehouse management system would include a tag that is fixed onto any carton box, a handheld reader that can be used to take the inventory of the item, to find a missing item, as well as to locate any item in the warehouse, and RFID enabled integrated readers that are positioned at the entry and exit of the warehouse to keep a track of the incoming goods as well as goods that are leaving the warehouse. An RFID tag is pasted on to any box, any case in the warehouse. We have tagged all the items that are available here. Now we'll see the inventory process. Using a handheld terminal, inventory is done in a fraction of seconds. Based on the number of consignment available, the time varies. A single scan of the boxes using a handheld scanner displays the total number of items that are available in the warehouse. Thus, at any point of time, the list of total inventory in the warehouse is readily available. Now we'll see the finding of a particular missing item or finding an item that needs to be sent for a consignment. We'll see how the tracking is done. Particular item ID that needs to be identified, the particular case or the pallet ID that needs to be identified is entered in the handheld reader and the operation is carried out. As the person scans all the boxes that are available in the warehouse, once the particular ID is identified, immediately the handheld reader gives a beep notifying the person that the item is available. Now he has identified the box among the multiple cases that are available. Similarly, when a particular consignment is sent for a client, RFID system helps the owner to know whether the right items are being shipped or if there is any order that has been placed, then the item that is being shipped. As a case is carried out of the warehouse, the readers at the entry point captures all the tag data that is available and it is matched with the details in the database. In case any wrong item is being found, immediately an alert is provided to help the security know that something wrong has been happening. We'll now see how the multiple items that are identified at the entry or exit of an warehouse. We have a carton box which has multiple small boxes that are placed inside with different items. Like this has a metallic item, RFID is tag is attached onto every box. Multiple small boxes are placed inside the big box. Now we'll tag the big carton also. Now as the case is moved out of the warehouse, we'll see how the multiple tags, the tag of the carton as well as the smaller boxes are being read and it is updated in the database. As the carton box is moved out or inside the warehouse, all the tags are read and the details are displayed in the database. Thus, an RFID based warehouse management system helps in speedier inventory of the items that are available in the warehouse, easier identification of assets that are missing or misplaced, ensures that the right consignment is sent to the right person who has ordered it, and our RFID based hardware system can be integrated with any of your present legacy systems that are available. Thus, RFID provides a very good return on investment and automates every process in a warehouse management. Thank you.